To make delicious Thai fish curry at home in just 10 minutes, you will need a few key ingredients. Start by gathering some white fish fillets, such as cod or haddock, coconut milk, red curry paste, fish sauce, sugar, lime juice, and some vegetables like bell peppers, snow peas, or bamboo shoots. Begin by heating a large skillet or wok over medium heat and adding a can of coconut milk. Let it simmer for a minute or two before stirring in a few tablespoons of red curry paste. Cook the curry paste for another minute until it becomes fragrant. Next, add in your white fish fillets, cut into bite-sized pieces. Stir the fish into the curry sauce, making sure each piece is coated in the flavorful mixture. Let the fish cook for a few minutes until it starts to become opaque. Once the fish is partially cooked, add in your vegetables of choice. Bell peppers, snow peas, and bamboo shoots are all great options for adding some crunch and color to your curry. Stir the vegetables into the sauce and let them cook for a few minutes until they are tender crisp. To finish off the curry, season it with a splash of fish sauce, a pinch of sugar, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding more fish sauce for saltiness, sugar for sweetness, or lime juice for acidity. Let the curry simmer for a few more minutes to allow the flavors to meld together and the fish to finish cooking through. Once the fish is cooked and the vegetables are tender, your Thai fish curry is ready to serve. Spoon the curry over steamed rice or noodles and garnish with fresh herbs like cilantro or Thai basil. You can also add a sprinkle of chopped peanuts or a drizzle of coconut milk for extra richness and texture. Enjoy your homemade Thai fish curry in just 10 minutes, savoring the complex flavors of the curry paste, creamy coconut milk, and tender fish. This quick and easy recipe is perfect for a weeknight dinner when you're craving something flavorful and comforting.